Hotel number 3 is Toyoko in Gumma Isesaki Ekimae in Isesaki. Price today at $60. Rates may vary depending on your booking date. This hotel offers 245 cozy rooms equipped with refrigerators, flat-screen televisions, desks, and electric kettles. Complimentary wired and wireless internet access keeps you connected, while private bathrooms feature shower/tub combinations, bidets, and hairdryers. Guests enjoy a free buffet breakfast daily from 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Additional amenities include a business center, dry cleaning and laundry services, a banquet hall, a vending machine, and a 24-hour front desk. Self-parking is available for a fee. Nearby attractions include Smart Shopping Center, Caribbean Beach Heated Pool, and the Taijima Yahe former residence. If you want to get more information about this hotel or you want to book hotel with the lowest rates, check the video description and you can find the link. Share your thoughts in the comment section and like this video. Hotel number 2 is AB Hotel Isesaki in Isesaki. Price today at $53. Rates may change based on your booking date. This 3-star hotel offers 250 rooms, each featuring air conditioning, a private bathroom, a desk, and a flat-screen TV. Guests can enjoy free bike rentals to explore the area. Kazoji Park is only 1.1 miles away, and Hanjo Waseda Station is just 9 miles from the property. Other nearby attractions include Mikazukamura, located 10 miles away, and Miyabashi City Central Children's Amusement Park, only 11 miles away. The hotel is also within easy reach of Komagaya Rugby Stadium, about 20 miles away, and Ishidangai Steps, about 28 miles away. Tokyo Haneda Airport is approximately 73 miles from the property. AB Hotel Isesaki provides bed linen and towels for every guest, ensuring a comfortable stay. If you want to get more information about this hotel or you want to book with the lowest, hotel number 1 is Hotel Wakamatsu Excel Isesaki. Price today at $52. This hotel offers great value. Located just a 2-minute walk from Isesaki Meiji Kan and close to Kazoji Park, it provides easy access to local attractions. Guests enjoy complimentary local cuisine breakfast daily from 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m., along with amenities like free self-parking, bicycles for rent, and complimentary wireless internet access. The property features 123 rooms equipped with refrigerators, flat-screen televisions, safes, electric kettles, and daily housekeeping. Bathrooms include complimentary toiletries and bidets. Relax in the shared TV area or read free newspapers in the lobby. For more information about this hotel or to book it with the lowest rates, check the video description for the link. Share your thoughts in the comment section and like this video.
Are you tired of spending hours searching for the best flight deals? Well, fret no more. Introducing benexavier.com, your ultimate flight search system powered by artificial intelligence. With benexavier.com, you can sit back and relax as our AI technology scours thousands of airlines and flight booking systems to find you the absolute cheapest flights out there. You can find the link in the video description or just type www.benexavier.com in your browser.